You can say this in 4 different ways. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, 5 p.m., 1700 hours. You can say this in 3 different ways. 9:50 a.m., 9:50 in the morning, 10 to 10. But let me walk you through each of them one by one. And I will show you the most common mistakes you should avoid. Hello everyone, happy to see you back. If you are new here, welcome. So first, how can we ask for time? You can say, what time is it? What time is it? What is the time? What is the time? Could you tell me the time? Could you tell me the time, please? Or you can say, how much longer until, for example, 6? Or how much longer until 5? And now let's see the options how to say the time. Attention, don't forget about it's. You should start your sentence with it's. For example, it is 8 o'clock in the morning. It is 8 a.m. It is 8 o'clock in the evening. It is 8 p.m. AM stands for anti-meridian, and this is the time before midday, from 0:00 hours to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And PM is post-meridian, from 12 o'clock in the afternoon till midnight. AM and PM come from Latin language. There are 3 ways you can say this hour. It is 3 o'clock, and you can add in the morning. It is 3 a.m. Or you can say 0300 hours. You see why 100? Because you have 0 and 0. So it looks like 100. So 300 hours. So you can say 0300 hours or 0300 hours. This time you will say it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 3 p.m. or it is 1500 hours. 1500 hours. This 24-hour standard is more familiar for the European regions, but it is well understood in all countries. So you can choose either say it's 3 a.m. p.m. or you can say it's 3 o'clock. Attention, do not say it is 15 o'clock. Both in British English or American English, you can only say it's 1500 hours or it's 3 o'clock, but not 15 o'clock. Next in this video, I will show you when you can say 15 or 16 or 17 using this 24-hour standard for telling time. So stick around. Of course, you know that this is midday, or you can say noon, and this is midnight. Now is the most interesting part. How can we say the time when we have the minutes? So all these options with past, to, quarters and halves. We will now go through them step by step in detail, but before that, if you like this video already, you can give it a like so that it can spread to more people as well. Thank you. Let's start with this time. So the easiest option is to say exactly what you see. What do you see? You technically see 5:05, right? So you say so. It is 5:05. You can say it is 5:05 in the morning, or maybe it is 5:05 in the afternoon. You can definitely say it is 5:05 a.m., it is 5:05 p.m., or you can say it is 5:05, meaning it is 5 minutes after 5. It is 5:05. You can also say it is 5 after 5, but the word past is more common. So it's 5:05, 5 minutes after 5. Attention, do not say it is 5 or 5 o'clock. No. You can say it's 5 o'clock. You can say it's just after 5, or precisely it's 5:05, but not o'clock. Now this time the same logic applies. What do you see? It's 5:10. That's it. It's 5:10 in the morning or in the afternoon. It's 5:10 a.m. It's 5:10 p.m. It's 10 past 5. 10 minutes after 5. It's 10 past 5. I do encourage you to repeat after me. Say it out loud. Everything what I am saying, you also say. This is the way how you will remember how to say the time, and you will never be confused again. Repeat, repeat, and repeat. Say it out loud. And how will you say this time? What do you see? It's 5:12 a.m., p.m., in the morning, in the afternoon. But when you need to say that it is 12 minutes after 5, you will say it as it's 12 minutes past 5. When you have these precise numbers like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, then you just say it's 10 past 5. It's 20 past 5. But if you have these smaller minutes like 12, 17, 21, then you need to add the word minutes. So it's 7 minutes after 5. It's 12 minutes after 5. It's 21 minutes after 5. Or past, of course, you can say. It's 21 minutes past 5. Let's move on, and now a bit faster. What do you see? It's 5:15. It's 5:15 in the morning, in the afternoon. It's 5:15 a.m., p.m. It is 15 past 5, or it is a quarter past 5. You can also say it is quarter past 5. So this article a is optional. Now this one, what do you see? It's 5:30. It's 5:30 in the morning, in the afternoon. It's 5:30 a.m., p.m. Attention, you do not say it's 30 past 5. You will say it's half past 5. And in this case, you would rather say it's half past 5. It's more common. Now the other half. What do you see? It's 5:40 in the morning, in the afternoon, a.m., p.m. Now 5:40, it's almost 6. How many minutes are we missing to 6? How many minutes more you will need to have 6 o'clock? 20, right? So how will you say it in English? You need 20 more minutes to 6, right? That's why you will say it's 20 to 6. How would you say this time? It's 11:40, or how many minutes are you missing to the next hour? After 11 we have 12, right? And we need 20 more minutes to 12. That's why it's 20 to 12. It's 20 to 12. Good job. What about this one? What do you see? It's 5:45 a.m., p.m. in the morning, in the afternoon. Or how many minutes to the next hour? 15, right? So it's 15 to 6. Or you can say it's a quarter to 6. It's quarter to 6. And the last one, it's 5:55 a.m., p.m. in the morning, in the afternoon. How many minutes to the next hour? It's 5 26. Done! Good job, you! I am proud of you if you stayed with me till this moment. I hope it was really clear and now you know how to say the time in so many different ways. Now I invite you to have a little bit more practice saying time. You can come to my next video, which is a speaking practice, and you will have the opportunity to speak there saying the time out loud again. So make sure to follow that video too. The link I will post in the description and comments below. If this video was helpful for you, I will appreciate if you can give it a like so that it can spread to more people. Thank you.